Stampin' with Amore, and today I have a card tutorial to share with you. It's this I'm So Grateful for You card. I love this card, how it turned out, and it's really quick and easy to do. I used my Stampin' Blends for this on Lemon Lime Twist, which I don't know what made me think. I was just looking in the colors of this designer series paper that I'm using. This is the Tutti Frutti designer series paper, and these are 6x6s. And so I saw the colors in here, and I thought, I am going to try to stamp on the Lemon Lime Twist and use my Stampin' Blends. But look how beautiful that is. I just love the Stampin' Blends. And I know they are on back order now, but you can still get some of the colors, but I think a lot of them are on back order. But they should be coming in stock really soon. So just keep that in mind. But anyway, this is going to be a swap card for my on stage that I'm going to this weekend. Actually, when I share this card, it's going to be after on stage because I didn't want to share it before I swapped it. So it's a lot of fun, and you get to meet so many different people from different places, and it's just a lot of fun. So let's get started. Alright, so we are going to need a basic card. This is 5.5 by 8.5, and we're scoring it at 4 1/4 to make your basic card in Whisper White, and this is the thick Whisper White. You know I love using that on cards. And then you're going to need another piece of the Cherry Cobbler, and this is 3 3/4 by 5. And then this is the Tutti Frutti Designer Series paper, and this is 2.5 by 4.5. And then to stamp on, we are going to use the Lemon Lime Twist, and it is 2.5 by 3.5. And then you will need one other piece, and it is for the sentiment. And I've actually cut this 3.5 by 3/4, but I'm going to cut part of it off because the sentiment has a "and" in front of it, and I'm going to cut that "and" off. So I made it just a little longer so I have the ability to cut that off. Alright, so first we're going to stamp, and we're going to stamp using our Memento black ink, because whenever you're using the Stampin' Blends, you want to use the Memento black ink. It is recommended for these. And, oh, I didn't show you the stamp set. How can I not show you that? It's gorgeous. You've seen me use it before. This is the Remarkable You, and I used this leaf before. And now I'm going to use this flower right here. And the sentiment is, it's a 2 box stamp set because the stamps are so big. And then this is what I'm using, and I'm so grateful for you, but I am cutting the "and" off the end. So that's the stamp set. I don't know how I could forget that. This is such a pretty stamp set, and it's perfect for your watercolor marker or watercolor pencils, your Stampin' Blends, your Stampin' Write markers. And then I'm going to stamp on here. And last time I used my Stamparatus, which is the new stamping tool that Stampin' Up! came out with, which will be available in June when the new catalog comes out. And that's what I used for that, and I stamped it twice to make it a little bit darker, but I think this is going to work fine. So I'm going to just kind of outline it, and just, this is such a simple stamp to color. So you just outline it, and then I'm going to go on the inside with the light. This is Cherry Cobbler, by the way, with the light Cherry Cobbler. This is the dark. And I'm just kind of shading it a little bit in the center here, not getting really fancy with it. And don't press hard with these. I've talked about it before. It is not necessary to press hard. If you do, you will get some bleeding. It's happened to me, and I learned. So we're going to color that in super quick and easy. but it looks so pretty. I'll show you right here in just a minute. I need to grab it real quick, used my color lifter. And I used it in here, which is going to lift some of the color, but it gives it a little bit of more shading. And then I went on the inside of some of these, and I'll show you here in just a minute. I don't overdo it, just slightly takes away the color. And then we're going to just use our dark old olive, and we're going to use that for the stem. And it's super quick and easy, but look how cute that is, how pretty that looks on the lemon lime twist. You can stamp and color on with the blends on any color. I just got the idea really quickly because of this designer series paper. You can see the colors, and I wanted to keep those colors in there. All right, let's go ahead and stamp our sentiment before we put this all together. Again, I'm going to use the Memento Black, and I hope I can get this in here. Usually I will stamp it and then cut it, but didn't get it perfectly straight, but that's okay. I'm going to cut the end off, and I'm going to straighten it out myself just using this. I don't like when it's not, there we go. And then I'm going to cut a little bit off here and flag the end. There, so we got it all ready. So let's put it all together now. We'll put the cherry cobbler on first. I wanted quite a bit of the Whisper White to show through around the edges. And then we're going to do this piece here. I love this paper. This Tutti Frutti is really pretty. It's a 6x6 stack, by the way. And then, last but not least, the beautiful flower. So use your imagination when you're using your blends. You can definitely color on any color. And then we're going to do the Grateful for You. And then I'm going to use one of my glitter, what are these called? Glitter enamel dots. And I'm going to use one of these here, and this is a lemon lime twist. And we're going to just put it on the end right here, just for a little accent. So that is it. Look how cute that is. I love the colors together on this, and for some reason the cherry cobbler just looks so pretty on that lemon lime twist. But I thought they were super bright and cherry. I hope you like it. If you need any supplies, you're going to go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell for notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thanks everyone. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.